let's say the goal is to redirect a 2-foot trapezoidal ditch, storm drain, to the property line, like you see here. So we've drawn a polyline that by default drapes to the surface using this command here. That's the polyline command in P3D. And we've taken it down the property line, maybe not as accurately as we would like. Let's move it right on the property line there, right in the middle of the trapezoidal ditch. And we're going to do a 2-footer, so it'll go 2 foot either side of this and connect up. Now, what are the elevations? Let's look at it. The elevation is shown on the polyline. The first one is 981.6. Then it goes up to 986.3, and the second segment goes 986.3 to the end of 980.9. So let's make the elevation about 1/3 of the way down, or 981.6. Let's look at number 1. That's 91.6. We should go to 981.3. So we should make the end vertice of the first segment 981.3. And be sure it's 3D. And it is 3D. By doing that change, you can set the mode, drape to surface, or 3D. And so we go from 981.6 to 981.3 and finish up at 980.9. Now, with that selected and highlighted there, we do the ditch command, and we'll do 100%, we'll do some kind of a stone managed side, and that takes us down, but we got a problem. It forced a 2% slope. So if we got to say the minimum downhill slope is negative 0.5, and then it goes and uses the original vertice slopes that we specified. So you have to catch that. Watch out for the minimum slope. And that's for sort of designing one from scratch between 2 points. But we're going to make the minimum as little as negative 0.5, therefore it used the greater slope of our vertices. And then we say finish command and merge surface. And the next thing we will do, that came out beautifully, the next thing we will do is repair the surface to remove the earlier ditch.